In this tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust the levels in Blender, like we do in Photoshop or Krita. Let's create a star field the way we learned a couple of days ago. There is our blue star field. I'll open this rendered image in Photoshop. Before and after. We can adjust the levels in Krita as well, but it gets more complicated. We lose the blue color. Anyway, I wanted to show you we have a way to adjust the levels in Blender. This is the set of nodes we need to use in Blender's compositor. Click the white level and turn it almost black. As we can see, the Blender's compositor method is giving us the fastest and the best looking result. I have been using the denoise as the default composite node, before Blender updated the render settings with the denoise option. Now that we have the denoise option readily available like this, there's no need to use the denoise composite node. This is my default composite node now. I saved this composite node as the default node by going to File and Defaults. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.